Boy, you think things are bad here. Be glad you're not living on Jupiter these days. A couple of fireballs lit up the sky on Jupiter this summer, putting on quite a show. Astronomers have taken these incredible pictures, the first time that telescopes based on Earth have spotted relatively small objects burning up in Jupiter's atmosphere. So what caused these fireballs? What do they mean for us? Michio Kaku is a theoretical physics professor and the host of the Science Channel series Sci-Fi Science, Physics of the Impossible. So what are we seeing there, those fireballs?
Well, this was a great week for asteroid hunters. Last Wednesday, not one but two asteroids flew right by the Earth, first time in history. And now for the first time in history, we've actually verified two small impacts on the planet Jupiter. There's a lot of rocks out there in outer space.
Separate asteroids. I mean, the ones that pass by Earth are not the ones that hit Jupiter.
That's right. The ones that passed by Earth just last Wednesday came within the orbit of the Earth and the Moon, just outside our limit of our satellites. That's how close they came. About 50 feet across, about 1 million pounds of rock.
What would have happened if they had actually, hit Earth's atmosphere?
Well, it would have caused a spectacular display as it burned up in the atmosphere and disintegrated into lots of little meteorites. If it was bigger, like twice as big, then perhaps it would have been a city buster, enough to take out a huge portion of New York City.
So, pretty close call, you're saying?
Pretty close call. However, they would have burned up and caused not too much damage, but it makes you a little nervous knowing there's a lot of rocks out there.
And you're saying that Jupiter is actually doing us a favor?
The good news is that Jupiter is a vacuum cleaner. Without Jupiter, there'd be a huge crater right here at Fox Studios because a meteor would have impacted on the Earth.
Well, because Jupiter is such a huge planet, its gravitational pull sucks a lot of this space debris in.
That's right, but even then, there's a lot of junk out there. And believe it or not, we scientists were caught flat-footed. Amateurs! Amateurs were the ones who detected these things, not NASA satellites, not professional astronomers with giant telescopes. Amateurs were the ones who spotted these things.
And nobody knew that these asteroids were flying by Earth in a relatively close path?
We were caught with our pants down. We had 3 days warning of the two asteroids that whizzed by the Earth last Wednesday. And that's why I say we should have a satellite dedicated to an early warning system, an insurance policy for the planet Earth. But we don't have one.
Well, so, all right. Let's say you find out that a rock the size of an apartment building is headed for Earth. What are you going to do about it?
Well, right now you can't do anything. Forget Bruce Willis and Armageddon. You're not going to send the space shuttle. The space shuttle's been canceled, and it can't even reach outer space to that distance anyway. But at least it would give you warning that perhaps something was coming by. It would give us weeks warning rather than 1 day warning, which is what we get now.
All right. And everybody send your thank you cards to Jupiter, I guess. Michio Kaku, thank you.